Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone is responding to voice commands unexpectedly, showing a blue microphone icon or performing actions without touch, voice control is turned on. In iPhone settings 2026, you can disable voice control completely in just a few steps. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn off voice control on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, type or tap the settings application. This is where accessibility features are managed. So now scroll down and tap accessibility. Okay, so voice control is part of accessibility tools. Now under physical and motor, tap voice control. This toggle voice control to off. Okay, so it's already off for my iPhone. Okay, so the blue microphone icon will disappear immediately. So now you can confirm voice control is disabled by, because once it's off, iPhone stops listening for commands, no voice triggered actions, screen overlays disappear, touch control returns to normal, no restart required. Okay, so if voice control was turning on accidentally via triple click, go to settings, go to accessibility and accessibility shortcuts and check the voice control. So this prevents accidental activation. Okay, so if voice control won't turn off, try restart your iPhone. Make sure Siri is not confused with voice control. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.